Hey everyone, I'm the Off-Grid Vegan Chef, and in today's episode we're making this awesome green chili cheeseburger that will melt in your mouth as it transports your mind to a blissful utopia where chilies and taste buds coexist in perfect harmony, and through this magical union have solved all the world's problems. That was a lot of words. I just gotta catch my breath. For the patty, I'm using a Beyond Burger because, let's face it, anything I make at home just isn't going to be as good. I mean, these guys are like actual scientists with a lab and stuff. I live in a cabin in the desert. I'll start off by getting a cast iron skillet hot enough to melt a person's face off. Yeah, 478 should do it. Put a little adobo seasoning on my patty. Carefully drop it into the pan. Give it a good smash. Smash it up a little more. Alright, let that cook for a few minutes while I make the sauce. A few big spoonfuls of Vegenaise. A little bit of garlic powder, or a lot. Some of that habanero sauce we made in the last episode. Now I'll use my superhuman speed to quickly whip this up. Okay, time to flip the burger. Oh yeah, look at that. For the cheese, I'm using Chao tomato cayenne slices. Carefully put one of those on there. And cover it with a f***ed up lid. And now I'll just let that cook a few more minutes. And woo baby, look at that. Okay, now I'm just going to set this aside for a second. Time to start cooking the peppers. I also have some onions and garlic in there. This is the assortment of peppers that I used. I've got one serrano, one jalapeno, one Anaheim, and one Poblano. Just give these a good stir. Cover them up, let them cook for a couple minutes. Right, yeah, these are looking really good. So now I'll just put the cover back on, turn the heat off, and let those chill for a minute. Meanwhile, I'll toast my buns on the grill, which will only take a minute. And we're ready to assemble the burger. Start off with the patty, a few slices of tomato, a lot of peppers, some cilantro, many generous spoonfuls of our aioli. Put the cap on. Ooh-wee, here we go, moment of truth. Oh yeah, boy, look at that. Alright, time to give this a taste. Oh boy, man, this is gonna be so good. Here we go. It's good. That's good. So, a little spicy. It's good, but it's just a little spicy. Whew. It's got some heat to it. Take a break for. It's good though. It's good. Oh. Whew. Okay. Okay. Let's take another. Let's take another bite. Another big bite. Here we go. Heat really builds up. Oh, these peppers are burning my face off. This is too hot. Why did I hype this thing up so much? Damn it. Just cut. Hello? Hey? Hello? Oh, voicemail. God, I hate talking to these things. Hey everyone, hey, it's me. I just wanted to call and I was just playing with the whole thing at the end. It wasn't too hot. It was just us goofing around. It was good. It was good. It's not too hot. It's hot. I mean, it's a little spicy, but you know what? I don't even know. I'm not even gonna I'm not even gonna apologize for it. I mean, if you want to eat some good food, man, you gotta nut up sometimes. You know what I'm saying? Get some hair on your chest. So you gotta, what do they say? You can't handle the heat, don't eat the burger. That's not it, but anyways, guys, look, if you could please just hit the like button, please, and subscribe. You don't even have to. You can subscribe and then just ignore the stuff. I really need this. I really. This is okay. It's getting pathetic. I gotta go. Okay. Well, listen. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please try out the recipe. And see, this is why I hate talking into a friggin' voice. Okay. Bye. All right. Bye.